To use the TAO Index in ODG by MCG, I'll start with a diagnosis, such as carpal tunnel syndrome. TAO stands for Treatment Analyzer on Outcomes. When I enter a diagnosis, I'm given a list of procedures commonly performed for that diagnosis. It gives me CPT code, procedure name, procedure category or type, frequency, which tells me how common this procedure is for this diagnosis. If I click on frequency, I get more information, such as median number of visits, average number of visits, how many visits are auto-authorized. I get a payment flag, cost information, per visit and total, and I get the TAO Index. The TAO Index, or score, ranges from -100 to +100, and it tells me how well each medical intervention correlates with return to work. Anything above 0 means better than average. We know that correlation does not equal causation, but because this procedure is associated with good outcomes, we can definitively say that it is not causing poor outcomes. This, paired with the support of medical evidence and claims data, means it is a safe procedure to auto-approve or auto-authorize. I can change my results to fit my needs. For example, see 100 per page instead of 10. Or filter by keywords or codes. I can also sort by any of the columns, such as procedure name or payment flag. Payment flags are one of 4 colors: green, yellow, red, and black. Green and yellow both have a thumbs up, which means they should be auto-approved. The difference is that a green flag is evidence-based approval, while a yellow flag is data-driven approval. Often, a yellow flag procedure may not be supported by randomized controlled trials. There may be a lack of evidence, but based on the outcomes data, it should be approved for efficiency reasons. A good example of that would be a hot or cold pack. Green flags should be auto-approved because they are supported by the medical evidence. The other 2 flag possibilities are red and black. A red flag should be routed for review. This doesn't mean that it is an inappropriate procedure. It just means that perhaps you need to get into the patient selection criteria to make sure it's appropriate for this particular case. Whereas a black flag is what we call a good candidate for denial. Now, we should never auto-deny, but you'll notice that the black flag procedure says route for review with extreme caution. Notice also a very low TAO Index score.